Hello, everyone in AP4. Here's today's picture for the Poisonwood Bible. It's a pretty cool one, right? I am recording today from my backyard because I thought it would be really fun to get some sunburn and squint at you. Um, you're all laughing uproariously at my hilarity. I know in my heart. Anyway, we start on page 135, which is Ruth May's chapter. Um, and there is, no, I'm lying. My bookmark was in the wrong place. We start at Ada's chapter, which is why I have this lioness stocking pic, because that's what, uh, that's what Ada gets to enjoy. Um, she is hemiplegic. Half of her, she limps and drags her one side. So, being stalked by a wild animal, there's only so fast she can go to get away. Maybe that's what saves her because she didn't run. She didn't try to run. Maybe if she tried to run, the lion would have started chasing her. I don't know. But she does get away, and she gets the very, very weird experience of seeing her family react to news of her death while they don't know that she's watching. Um, I'm going to ask you about Ada's faith or lack thereof, especially at the end of this chapter, when I do the book two questions, because I think it's a really interesting conclusion that she draws from that experience. Um, because she sees this rivalry between her father and Tata Ndu as whether her life or death is proof of whose religion is correct. It's so weird, right? If she's alive, then Christianity's right. If the lion did attack her, then Tata Ndu's beliefs and the local religion is correct. Um, that's what Ada kind of marvels at as a result of this strange experience. Um, then we get Leah's take on it. It's not the nicest take, um, but it does seem more like a sister. And of course, now we have to find it. Where does she say it? When she's talking about Nelson, and Nelson is an important character because Ada sends Nelson to live with the family and work for the family. And thank goodness, this is page 145 when she says, and I hate to say it, but Ada is just as ornery and bent on destruction in her own slowpoke way. No one tells her to go off trailing through the jungle all alone. She could have stayed with me. Of course, according to Ada, she could not have stayed with her sister. It's a little defensive. Maybe it's a little jealous because, but they both had to do the verse. They both got punished after her so-called brush with the lion. Um, we know that as a result of Ada's um, potential lion attack, uh, Nathan is holding her up as an example of his faith. And so, obviously, what do you think? How do you think Leah feels about that when Leah is so yearning for approval and validation from her father? Um, Leah also talks in her chapter about uh, their hope chests, their needlework. Um, and it's sort of, it's a bit of a metaphor for their personalities. It's kind of old fashioned, this idea of a hope chest. I mean, even I, with all my gray hair, like that was highly outdated by my time. Um, I'm guessing this time period, the late 50s, might have been, the last throw of this idea that a woman had to embroider her linens for her future life as a married woman, and put it in a chest. Um, I hope you're watching. More importantly, I hope you're reading. I hope you like my backyard here. I can't really see because the sun's in my eyes, so I don't know if I can show you the koi pond, but the koi are not up right now. But we have one because my husband's weird. Um, Hope everyone's doing well. It's a beautiful day today. Go for a walk, but keep your social distancing, as you know. Um, Please keep reading. Give me feedback on the videos if you care to. Just like, hey, I am watching the videos and I find them helpful. Or can you stop saying so much, you weirdo? Stop touching your hair. All the things I'm super self conscious about. Make sure you bring those up so I feel really even more self conscious. Thanks. Everyone, take care. Hope you're doing well. Can I see my cursor? Yeah, just now. Bye.